Good afternoon everybody, welcome to another video. And today I am out in my local woods. It's actually a woods that some of you have seen before, affectionately known as the Weird Woods. I'll put a link up here regarding that other video. So yeah, I decided today I'd go down to these woods. Obviously we're in lockdown in the UK, so can't do any camping. But I can do some exercise, and I've gone out very early this morning for that exercise and just dropped off in these local woods. I'm going to make myself breakfast, and it's going to be breakfast that's a little bit different. I'm calling this an American style breakfast. So before anyone gets in the comments and says that's not American, it's an American style. Oh, I'm getting burnt here. Let's move back a bit. So it's an American style breakfast in English woods. Those of you that use these kinds of wood burners know that you do have to have wood on standby. We had a load of rain in London yesterday, so all of the wood's pretty damp. So I've just picked up some wood from the shop and just brought that with me today. So just to show you what is on the menu, I've got some waffles there, and I'm not making the waffles from scratch this morning. They're pre-made, so it's just a case of giving them a little bit of a warm up and a little bit of a toast. And I've got some maple syrup here and some bacon, some streaky bacon that I bought yesterday. It's a really good quality cut. So we're going to have that with the waffles and the maple syrup. And also, I'm going to wash it down with some Turkish coffee. Part of East London that I live in has some fantastic Turkish shops, and I thought I'd try that out. So I'm going to have the Turkish coffee over there in the Balietti mocha pot. And I've also got the extendable grill as an accessory for the Folding Firebox. And I'm going to put that on this morning for the waffles and the bacon. Alright, I think we've got some pretty good coals there, guys. So it's going to be the interesting bit, putting the grill onto this very hot wood stove. Now, I did try to put it on earlier, but it just smoked the place out. So there we go. Now there is another grill that they do that goes from about there to there, but it's almost like a square that sits on top, and I kind of deliberated between whether I should get that one or the extendable one, and just thought just having that extra width would be a little bit more useful. If you do use the Firebox, you've got experience of both grills, let me know what you use them for. Some lovely streaky bacon there. Should cook quite quickly, I think. Yeah, that's bacon's cooking really, really quickly. That grill plate gets really hot, so particularly with thin streaky bacon like this, you've got to keep turning it, otherwise it's going to... Oh, pretty hungry, guys. Can't wait. Cannot wait. Spare bacon for later. Little drizzle there. I don't know, how much maple syrup do Americans put on their breakfast? Get in the comments. Coffee's on. Moment of truth. Hey, Turkish coffee it is. That's where the fire was, guys. I've put out the ashes, buried them, made that good. So, leaving no trace as always. I've even done a little bit of a litter pick just in the surrounding area and just added that to my litter, which I am taking out of the woods. All right, I think we're done. That was absolutely lovely. Really enjoyed that lovely little stopover in the woods with my American style breakfast. And I hope you enjoyed it too. If you did, please do give the video a thumbs up, really helps. And if you've liked it and you like these kinds of videos, you might want to consider subscribing. If you do that, you've heard this before, but don't forget, hit that little bell. And if you do that, you get notifications of any future uploads coming up. So thank you very much. Take care of yourself. Do try and get outside if you can. It does you the world of good. Really good for your physical and mental well-being, as we know. And all of this will come to an end soon. So please stay safe, take care wherever you are, and I'll see you on the next one.